Let me ask you a question. What if the secret to fixing your body wasn't in the pills, the painkillers, or even the expensive supplements? What if the real answer to joint pain, stiffness, and lack of energy was something so simple, so natural that you could do it in just a few minutes a day, right in your living room? For years, people have been told that aging automatically means pain, that growing older means losing strength, feeling tired, and relying on medication just to get through the day. But that's not the truth. In fact, your body has an incredible ability to heal itself if you know how to unlock it. My grandmother, who is now 87, is living proof of that. She used to struggle with constant leg cramps, stiff knees, and swollen joints. She could barely walk up a few stairs without holding onto the railing. Doctors prescribed her pills, creams, and therapies, but nothing worked for long. Then one day, a friend introduced her to something called tapping the 8 nests. It sounded strange at first, almost too simple to be real. But what happened next changed her life forever. Within just a few weeks of practicing this gentle 5-minute technique, her pain started to fade. Her legs felt lighter, her balance improved, and she no longer depended on medication. She even started walking to the park again. Curious, I decided to look deeper into why this worked. And what I discovered shocked me. It turns out that tapping the 8 nests isn't some new age trick, it is based on real science. When you tap specific areas of your body in a rhythmic, mindful way, you stimulate blood flow, improve lymphatic circulation, and activate energy pathways known in traditional Chinese medicine as meridians. These pathways are like invisible highways that connect every organ and muscle in your body. When they're blocked, you feel pain, stiffness, and fatigue. But when they're open, your body begins to heal itself naturally. It's the same principle behind acupressure and Tai Chi, but even simpler because anyone can do it, no matter their age or physical ability. So what exactly are these 8 nests? Think of them as the body's power centers, the key spots where energy tends to get stuck. They include your head, shoulders, chest, abdomen, lower back, hips, knees, and feet. Each area corresponds to different organs and systems in your body. For example, tapping the chest helps open the lungs and heart, improving oxygen flow and circulation. Tapping the abdomen supports digestion and helps reduce inflammation. Tapping the knees and feet activates blood flow in the lower limbs, which is especially important for older adults dealing with leg weakness or cramps. The beauty of this technique is how gentle it is. There's no stretching, no heavy lifting, no strain. You simply use your fingertips or your palms to rhythmically tap each of the 8 areas, spending about 30 to 40 seconds on each one. You don't need to hit hard, just enough to feel a gentle vibration under the skin. The goal isn't to bruise or force anything. It's to wake up your body's natural healing response. As you tap, your nervous system begins to calm down. Your body releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that reduce pain naturally. Your muscles relax, your blood vessels open, and oxygen starts flowing to areas that were once tight or numb. Over time, this practice helps improve mobility, restore balance, and even boost mood. What's fascinating is how quickly people notice results. My grandmother reported feeling warmer in her legs after just one session. Within a week, her morning stiffness had almost disappeared. And after a month, she told me something that nearly made me cry. She said she felt alive again. This method is particularly powerful for people over 60 because it helps counteract the 3 biggest causes of age-related decline: poor circulation, energy stagnation, and chronic inflammation. As we age, blood flow to our extremities slows down, leading to cold hands and feet, swelling, or numbness. Our lymphatic system, the body's natural drainage network, also becomes sluggish, allowing toxins and waste to build up. And when energy gets stuck, the body loses its ability to repair tissues efficiently. Tapping the 8 nests addresses all of this at once. It gently boosts circulation, clears energy, blockages, and reactivates your body's self-healing mechanisms, all without medication, machines, or expensive therapy. Science supports this too. Studies have shown that light rhythmic tapping or acupressure can lower cortisol levels, improve immune function, and even reduce symptoms of arthritis and neuropathy. It's like pressing a reset button for your body every morning. The best time to do it? Early in the morning before breakfast or in the evening before bed. It helps your body transition smoothly between states, either waking up your energy for the day or relaxing your system for deep rest. Many seniors who practice this daily report better sleep, stronger legs, and more energy to enjoy life again. If you're wondering how to start, here's what you can do. Stand or sit comfortably. Start by gently tapping the top of your head with your fingertips. This wakes up your nervous system and stimulates blood flow to the brain. Next, move to your shoulders and chest, tapping in a steady rhythm as you breathe deeply. Then go down to your abdomen, lower back, hips, knees, and finally your feet. Each area gets about 30 seconds. You can do 1 or 2 rounds depending on how you feel. Afterward, close your eyes for a moment and just notice your body. Most people feel warmth spreading through their limbs and a deep sense of calm. That's your body thanking you for paying attention to it. The truth is, we live in a world that teaches us to treat symptoms instead of causes. We pop pills for pain, rub creams for inflammation, and chase temporary fixes. But your body is smarter than that. It doesn't need more chemicals, it needs better communication. When you tap the 8 nests, you're sending a message to your body saying, "I'm here, let's heal," and your body responds. The transformation is not just physical, but emotional too. People who practice this daily report feeling more grounded, more optimistic, and more connected to themselves. It's as if a fog lifts not just from the body, but from the mind. My grandmother used to say, "I feel young again not because my age changed, but because my energy came back," and she's right. Energy is life. The moment it flows freely, everything changes. Your digestion improves, your sleep deepens, your pain fades, and your spirit lifts. It's not magic. It's the science of awareness, movement, and gentle stimulation. The best part, it costs nothing but 5 minutes of your time. No side effects, no waiting rooms. Just you and your body working together. So if you're tired of feeling stiff, weak, or dependent on medications, try this. 5 minutes of tapping. 8 simple areas. 1 incredible transformation. You might just discover, like my grandmother did, that healing isn't about doing more, it's about reconnecting with what's already inside you. Your body knows how to heal. It's been doing it your whole life. All you have to do is remind it how.